And some breaking news just coming in. External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar weighs in on the debate on social media giants. Well, amid the government's face-off with Twitter, Jaishankar says, and I quote, Twitter giants have huge power, but where is the accountability? International relations have been devised on the basis of state-based players. What happens when you have non-state players who are bigger than many states? These are serious questions, can't be brushed under the carpet saying you are attacking freedom of speech.
In a democratic society, we have to ask ourselves, okay, big tech is there. It's in my life, very, very visibly in my life. So you have a big presence. Where's the responsibility which comes with it? Okay, they have huge power. Where's the accountability? This is again not an issue limited to India. They harvest our data as they do across the world. So you have, in a sense, the opposite of the American Revolution, which is you have representation and no taxation. The influence that they command, international relations has been devised on the basis of state-based players. What happens when you have non-state players who in some ways are bigger than many, many states? So these are very serious questions which need debating. I think they can't be brushed under the carpet saying, well, you shouldn't question them because then you're attacking freedom of speech. I think that's a cop-out. It obviously serves their interest.
Gaurav Samant is getting us more on that story. Gaurav, the government of India has already decided to take the social giants head-on when it comes to issues of accountability. And this statement from S. Jaishankar clearly is a reflection of the same.
This indeed is External Affairs Minister Dr. S. Jaishankar. This is the most direct and frontal response to tech giant and big tech when they claim that if you ask them question, it is questioning freedom of expression and freedom of speech. And External Affairs Minister has made it very clear, it is not. They have to comply with rules. They have a big presence, but where is responsibility and where is accountability? They cannot shy away from responsibility and accountability in a democracy. India is a vibrant democracy, and this is the point, remember, that has also been made in the past by Union Law and IT Minister Ravi Shankar Prasad with specific instances. So here you have the External Affairs Minister representing India at a forum. It's the India Global Forum where they're talking about future. Now there's former British Prime Minister Tony Blair who says that big tech in 21st century, the technology revolution is like the industrial revolution of the 19th century. This is what the technology revolution is in the 21st century. And Dr. Jaishankar has clarified saying India is pro-technology. He's pro-technology, but big tech comes with accountability and responsibility, which needs to be reflected by big tech. Case in point, Twitter versus Government of India, when Twitter is not seen to be complying with India's rules, IT rules and laws, and there are specific instances. For example, showing a distorted map of India, showing Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh as separate entities. That's unacceptable in any democracy, and no clarification coming from big tech there.
Gaurav, thanks for getting us those details. Gaurav Samant putting his perspective as far as an important